This is a 2 month, and yes, I am gonna be touching up my texturizer, and I think it's been 2 months. Yeah, if I'm not correct, I'll just put the correct duration on the screen, but I'm ready for a touch up. And yeah, let's not waste any time, let's get into it. And of course I'm going to be using the same box, not the same box, the same brand. This is it for anyone who's asking. This one is the texture softening elongating system. Yes, so I am going to try to answer some of the questions I had in my last video, because I really had some questions about how long it should stay in and stuff like that. But since I have a box now and I have the instructions, so this is the instructions. It has the instructions for the virgin hair and instructions for touch-ups. And for, of course, for touch-ups, you're just gonna put it on the new growth, which is the roots. Not gonna put it on the ends because that's just gonna make your hair break off. And this is a question I got the most: how long did I keep it in for? And honestly, I just followed the timing. So if you are fine, medium, or normal, or coarse, yeah, so since mine is medium to normal, I am gonna keep it in between 8 to 12 minutes. And like I said in the previous video, when I was answering persons in the comments, I told them it was between 8 to 10 minutes. I didn't go up to the 12 minutes because what I was feeling was what I was satisfied with. So you also have to feel to see if feel and look, like pull the hair apart softly and see if it's something that you are fine with. I don't think I need to follow the whole instructions. I just will need to skip to step 3, which is this. This is step 3. I just need to do this because it's new growth. So I'm just gonna separate my hair in 4 sections, and my hair isn't detangled or anything, it's dirty. I just had 4 locks in, and all I did was pulled out the plaits or the braids, and that was it. No detangling, no blow drying, no washing. That was it. But if you need more like tips on what to do before you texturize your hair, then that should be in I made a video all on that, so it should be on my channel. You guys can look at it. And yeah, just watch that before you decide to do this on your hair. So now I'm just gonna add the curl control pre-treatment, and this should be applied to your hair. I guess, I'm not sure why, but I guess it defines your curls, not sure, but it really does define your curls. So I'm just gonna put it all on my hair just to be safe. And since I'm touching up my roots, I am going to try to get it on my roots. So that's it. I don't think I'm gonna put on anymore. So I'm gonna put some Vaseline on my hairline to protect I'm not gonna get it on my edges because don't want it to interfere with the texturizer when I'm putting it on my edges. So this is just a safety measure. So if you have Vaseline, just use it. Don't forget. I'm not gonna be using a comb or anything. I'm just gonna be smoothing it on because, like I said, if the hair is too straight, it's not gonna work. So that's what I'm gonna do. But of course the buzz is so little, but this time around it doesn't matter if you have a little buzz or not. Honestly, it doesn't. But I think the last video I started at the front, so I think I'm gonna start at the front. And I'm gonna leave the edges for last because I don't want the edges to be too thin. So this is it, guys, and since it's now 1:54 and the processing time is 8 to 12 minutes, I'm just gonna let it stay for 8 minutes and then watch it and see if it's like the texture is coming along. I'm not gonna let it stay too long, and then I'm gonna wash it out and then come back to you guys. So here it is, guys. I am done, and all I did was to use the neutralizing shampoo that comes in the box and then use my conditioner, and judging by this one, it did work. This little piece right here. But I did it, I left it in for 10 minutes after I finished. 8 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. That's what I did until I felt that I needed to wash it out. And you can always just look at your own hair and see if it's fine or whatever, but judging by the curls at the back right here, it seems like it's good. This is my hair, and of course this part of the hair is already texturized, so like still there, so no stringy hair. It has body, it still has life, it's soft, whatever. Only thing I need to do now is just to keep up with my trims and my moisture and all that. So yeah, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, honestly, but if you do want to see how I do my wash and go on my texturized hair, I did do it in the first texturizing video. And if you want to see how I do the twist outs on my texturized hair, I did do it in my wash day routine, my most recent wash day routine up on my channel. So because I'm indecisive right now, really don't know if I'm gonna be doing it in this video. Not sure if I want to do a twist out or a wash and go. So if you want to see either of the two, just hit up any one of those videos and you'll see it. It's the same procedure, same products, everything. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye. And this is how my hair is looking. It has a lot of body and life. It's not damaged or anything. So if you follow the steps and you follow the instructions in the box and you follow the tips that I give out in the last video, then you should be fine.